Assalamualaikum, hello and very good afternoon to all of you. This is Maria bint Mohsin, a student of Mohsin Smart English Learning. Today I'm gonna read a page of my English for Today book. So let's get started. Read about Begum Rokeya. Begum Rokeya 1880 to 1932 was a famous writer and a social worker. She lived in a divided Bengal in the early 20th century. She believed that women should have the same rights and opportunities as men have in the society. So she fought for their cause throughout her life. Begum Rokeya was born in a village called Pairaband, Rangpur in 1880. Her father Jahiruddin Muhammad Abu Ali Haidar Sabeh was an educated landlord. Rokeya was married to Khan Bahadur Sakawat Hussain in 1896. Her husband was the deputy magistrate of Bhagalpur, now a district in the Indian state of Bihar. He was very cooperative and always encouraged Rokeya to go on with her activities. Many upper-class Muslims of Bengal at that time learned Arabic and Persian as a medium of education and communication. But Rokeya had great love for her mother tongue. She learned Bangla and English for her eldest brother Ibrahim. That's all. Thank you.